ZANU-PF has vowed to expel party members who do not support the contentious Constitutional Amendment number 3 and has enlisted traditional leaders in a nationwide campaign to secure backing for the proposed changes. Zarabina mashoko obuda panguva ino yava chaos manje on the ruling party ZANU-PF. Ichionekwa kunzi ZANU-PF wants party rebels over 2030 ichiti aiwa wese angoenda against the amendment bill tiri kurashira kunze. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. ZANU-PF inopofamba that mode yekuti ZANU-PF is the party for all. Apana anoramba kupinda mu ZANU-PF vachiti ZANU homwe hombe yekuti chero weku opposition chero ani kunotora, but now it seems like vakuenda against zvavanosombotaura. Panapa kuda kwema constitutional amendment, panapa panyasofana kuti nhau iyi yakatageta some certain individuals vakaita semagenerals kana na VP Constant Chiwenga. Tipinda panapa mu the news tiyavanendirambira vachiti the bill has faced stiff resistance from both the governing and opposition parties as well as civil society organizations, which argue that such sweeping constitutional amendments require direct citizen input via a national referendum. Despite the objections, ZANU-PF has been mobilizing its cells, districts, and provincial structures ahead of parliament-led consultation scheduled for next week. Amendment Bill number 36 to scrap direct presidential elections, transfer the power to elect the president to parliament, where ZANU-PF wields third majority. Doma developments aripo panguva ino muri Zimbabwe. Update apa ku the ruling party ZANU-PF iri kutoshamisa vanhu kuti ZANU-PF iya yakupa warnings kuti anyone ari kungova rebellious vanodze 2030 aiwa tiri kubudisa mupato. Pinda comment section menu zvafungiro aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.